Most people are busy. Very few are progressing. This isn't a motivation problem, it's a systems problem. In this video, I'll explain why busyness is often a signal of structural failure, and how operators design systems where progress replaces motion. Busyness provides psychological comfort. It creates the illusion of movement without the risk of direction. People feel useful while avoiding the discomfort of prioritization. Systems that reward effort instead of output create noise. Work expands to fill available time. Progress becomes accidental, rather than engineered. When visibility is rewarded, people maximize motion. When responsiveness is rewarded, people fragment attention. The system silently trains inefficiency. Being busy signals importance. Reducing activity can feel like reducing relevance. Operators recognize this and redesign roles to reward results, not presence. Operators care about throughput, not hours worked. They ask where work stalls, loops, or waits. They remove bottlenecks before adding effort. Every context switch resets cognitive load. Busy systems create constant interruption. Operators protect focus, because focus compounds output. To-do lists encourage task accumulation. They rarely force prioritization. Operators replace lists with sequencing and constraints. Well-designed systems reduce decision fatigue. Work becomes predictable. Urgency fades as flow stabilizes. If activity is measured, activity increases. If output is measured, outcomes improve. Operators change metrics before changing people. Days feel full but direction feels vague. Urgency is constant. Completion never brings relief. These signal a system optimized for motion, not results. Busyness is not a badge of honor. It's often evidence of poor design. Operators replace motion with momentum. By building systems that make progress inevitable, and everything else optional.